By far, the most common thing to give away in order to collect an email address is a free ebook. And these are all over the internet, people offering their PDFs and 30-page guides on whatever it is that their blog or website covers. But if you can get a little more creative with what you offer and do something that's a little out of the ordinary, you're going to collect a lot more leads and you might even get some free press from it. So I'm just going to show you some examples here of companies that kind of put a little twist on their lead magnets and ended up collecting several thousand email addresses and also making quite a bit of money from it. And the first example here is from Sunkist, and all they did was give away orange peelers to people who signed up for their mailing list, and they managed to collect 50,000 email addresses in one weekend from just this very simple offer. And I'm sure they bought them in bulk, so they probably cost less than 50 cents a piece. And you can see it worked a lot better than a free ebook on oranges or orange juice or orange peeling. I don't know, but it was a very creative thing that got them a little free press and managed to add quite a few people that they can now market to. So what you want to do is think about what your business sells and what's a small thing that you could give away that wouldn't cost you a lot of money but would be a little more creative than giving away an ebook or a free newsletter. And so I just want to show you one more example of something that any business can use. This is an interview with a company called Envision, and they're asking him the things that he used to grow his company so fast. And they ask him, what has been your most successful growth hack so far? And he says, honestly, I'd say our free t-shirts have been a much bigger success than expected. And they don't give away a free t-shirt to everybody who gives their email address, but they give away one a week. And so all you have to do is enter your email address on this little landing page here and then click enter to win. And this is something they have a link to on their homepage so that people know about it. And it only costs a few dollars a week to do this promotion, but they end up getting hundreds of email addresses every week just from giving away a free t-shirt. And then of course the person who wins is giving them free advertising by wearing the shirt around. And then there's another example here from New Relic, and they used a company called Printfection to increase leads by 30% by giving away a t-shirt. And then finally, this company Single Grain used t-shirts to make over $500,000 in revenue, and you can see this article is from 2013, and they say below that it's up to 980,000 now, so I would imagine it's over $1 million today. And the way they said it produced so much revenue is because when they were out and their employees were wearing these shirts and other people who had received a t-shirt for giving their email address were walking around, they were asked, what is Single Grain? Because obviously the name of the company doesn't tell you what they do. And then just from these very simple conversations, they managed to get clients who found out what Single Grain was, went to the website, maybe they got a business card from the person, and then those people became clients who ended up creating a lot of sales for the company. And so just to show you how cheap you can get t-shirts if you order them in bulk, there's a lot of websites that do this. You can just Google discount shirts or cheap t-shirts. And again, you don't have to give away a t-shirt to every single person who enters their email address. You can make it a contest like Envision does, where you're giving away one a week. And as you can see, it only costs $1.86 for the t-shirt, and then I'm sure maybe an extra $1 or $2 to have your logo placed on it. So it's a very cheap thing, very easy way to collect more leads for your business, and it's a nice way of standing out among the crowd of people who are giving away free ebooks or newsletters. And then of course you get the free advertising from people wearing your shirts.